Snoring, a silent warning you can't ignore. Think snoring is harmless? Think again. It's your body's alarm bell, signaling deeper issues like blocked airways or poor sleep quality. Left unaddressed, snoring could point to sleep apnea, a condition linked to heart disease and stroke. Plus, restless nights can leave you drained, irritable, and vulnerable to long-term health risks. Don't let snoring steal your energy or jeopardize your well-being. Whether it's lifestyle changes or seeking medical help, tackling the root cause can transform your life. Your health is too important to ignore the signs. Start today, take that first step to better sleep and a healthier future.